Hi folks, I wanted to show you another really cool video. This one is how to do a shoutout command that will bring up a random clip generated from their channel. So I know that's right where my head is a little bit, but you can do this as a shoutout, a little bit of a different setup on there. This one's through Twitch Guru. There's quite a few awesome tools on that. I know I did another video kind of similar to this, but this one's a little bit different because it is literally a random clip from their video. So I'll show you how to do that on the video. So, oh, actually, that was a pretty cool play. Let's get started. Hi folks, welcome to our YouTube series. Here's where we look at anything we can do to help you out on your stream, to enhance it in any way, whether that's video, audio, or brand. I'm your man, The Argument Mock. Today we're going to be looking at how to do another type of shout out command. This one's picking a random clip from your person that you're shouting out Twitch series, bringing in a clip onto your stream and showing it off for them. Kind of cool, fun stuff. If you haven't done so already, help me out on YouTube side of things with a little bit of subscription. It's easy. It's right down there. It's click on that little subscribe button. It's free. Hit a thumbs up, goes a long way, and follow along on Twitch. I go live quite often. You're welcome to come in, game with me, or ask me any sort of OBS/brand related questions. I'm always an open book. With that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started on today's video. All right, so here we are over on Twitch Guru. It's kind of the first thing you need to do is go on this website here. I'll link everything down in the description for you so you have it ready and available. Quite a few awesome tools on this website. I'm probably going to cover a few more of these tools because I actually think they're pretty cool overall. The one we're going to worry about today is the shout out player. First thing you need to do is really just read and follow along. Here's a list of commands that you can use in chat for it. This won't replace the API command, so if you still want to have a clickable link to get to that person's channel, if you want to do the shout out, you'll need to include that for your bot or something else. Go ahead and click into your channel name, hit next. If you want to make it a channel point redemption, you can. You would hit on here, and so this you could use channel points redeemed in chat to have someone shout themselves out in a way. All you have to do is hit highlight, make a redeem reward, and go ahead and click on. I made a couple of other cool channel point style videos. Basically, you want to redeem it as it's listing, and it will actually hear that and know that that's the reward that you want to set up. But I'm not worried about that today. I'm just going to have it off. I really kind of want to just do it as a shout out command only. Max duration, how long you want the clips to be. I'll say like 25 seconds. Some clips could be longer or whatever. Turn on text display. I'm pretty sure that's in chat. From there, I'm not quite sure. And then I'm going to mute it just in case that clip contains like any sort of copyrighted music or anything like that. They do have a list of custom commands. So if there's someone like a VIP and you want to make a shorter command for them, you can do so here, and it will specifically shout out that particular channel on there. Other than that, just go ahead and scroll down. You want to highlight this URL, hit copy, pop it back into OBS itself. We're going to make a new browser source. It's going to be named whatever you really want it to be named, and then paste that URL right in there. Hit OK. Move it around to wherever you want. I would probably make Leon board move this around for me so it has a little bit more dynamics when it goes live. Then you need to jump into your chat. I'm hosting a buddy of mine on Friendly Fire right now. Hit shout out and then that channel's name. So I'll just shout myself out here, if I could spell, and then I'll hit enter and I'll move this to the side, and it's going to need to find a random clip from that channel and pop it in there for it. You can have it with audio, you can make it a couple different options on there, but it's honestly pretty easy to set up and pretty cool dynamic that gives a little bit more love and than just a regular SO in chat. So kind of fun stuff. That's how you do it. Check out Twitch Guru, and I'll see you glitches on the next video. Be safe, y'all.
Oh, nice.
Pretty solid hog plays here.
Yeah, this is triple. First one.
3 off the map. Off the map. 31 round 2.